Good morning to one and all. Topic is trigonometry. Let's go to our topic. Trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from two Greek words, trigonon and metron. The meaning of trigonon is triangles and the meaning of metron is measure. According to angles, we have three types of triangles. First one is acute angle triangle and second one is right angle triangle. Third one is obtuse angle triangle. We have three different types of triangles. Trigonometry is all about right angle triangles, but we have acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. We have to change acute angle triangle dividing into two right angle triangles, and going to obtuse angle triangle we have to extend the sides of a obtuse angle triangle like a right angle triangle. So we have to apply all the properties of right angle triangle to acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Finally, trigonometry is not only for right angle triangles, it is also for acute angle triangles and obtuse angle triangles also. The father of trigonometry is Hippocrates. He is first described the trigonometry table. Let us discuss about uses of trigonometry. We are using the trigonometry in various situations. First one is surveying the roads. Second one is navigation. Third one is finding the heights of the buildings. Next, fourth one is in astronomy, etc. Let us take right angle triangle. Now this is angle theta. This angle theta is opposite to this side. This side is called side opposite to theta, and this side is adjacent to theta. Now this longest side is called hypotenuse. Now from this triangle we have three different sides. One is side opposite to theta and adjacent to theta and a hypotenuse. Trigonometric ratios. What is the meaning of a ratio? Ratio is nothing but an ordered comparison of two quantities. Now here we are discussed about three sides. Now we have to take only two quantities. By three sides we are taking only two quantities. We will get ratios. How many ratios we will get? We will see now. Sin theta is equals to side opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Cos theta equals to side adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to side opposite to theta by side adjacent to theta. Cot theta is equals to side adjacent to theta by side opposite to theta. Next, sec theta. Sec theta is equals to hypotenuse by side adjacent to theta. Next, cosec theta equals to hypotenuse by side opposite. Sin theta into cosec theta is equals to 1. Sin theta is equals to opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Cosec theta equals to hypotenuse by opposite to theta. Opposite get cancelled. Hypotenuse get cancelled. We will get sin theta into cosec theta is equals to 1. Next, cos theta into sec theta is equals to 1. Cos theta is equals to side adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. Next, sec theta is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent to theta. Adjacent to theta get cancelled. Hypotenuse get cancelled. We will get cos theta into sec theta is equals to 1. Next, tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. Tan theta is equals to opposite to theta by adjacent to theta. Cot theta is equals to adjacent to theta by opposite to theta. Opposite get cancelled. Adjacent get cancelled. We will get tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. Thank you all.